Good morning, y'all. Happy Christmas Eve. Yes, it is Christmas Eve, and we are going to finish stuff for the dinner tonight. It's so cold. We're gonna finish stuff for the dinner tonight because Kroger didn't have everything we wanted, so we're gonna have to run to Respecs and another meat marketplace. So we're gonna do that, and I'm just gonna vlog the rest of the day. I gotta do baking stuff, and I also gotta do a couple other things. So that's what we're gonna do. Respecs now. This is the big grocery store besides Kroger. We have two of them actually, but yeah. So I'm here to get the dildo because it's the best stuff in the whole. I have the best delis and bakery and stuff here. I don't come here that much because, as you can see, they're kind of pricey. Seriously, but it's worth it for Christmas Eve. To my locals, you might want to come get some of these this week before they end. 39 cents for the canned veggies. Really, actually a great price. Yes, best stuff ever. Italian bread. Seriously, get the Italian bread and dip it in this stuff, and it's the best stuff ever. Alright, so here's the potato candy mixture. We did this on Saturday. Yeah, the mixture. We didn't actually get around to rolling it all out till today. So basically, there's a mixture, an initial mixture with powdered sugar, some mashed potatoes, and something else. I'll leave the exact recipes down in the description if I got them from a website. But anyways, we did that, and then basically what you gotta do is you have to get it to the point where it'll roll out. So you got to put more powdered sugar to make it not stick, and then you layer peanut butter on it, and this is the finished product. The finished product is absolutely amazing potato candy, so good. So we did go ahead and just make some super old school Christmas sugar cookies, and yeah, that was super good, and that was probably the biggest hit of the whole day party, actually, with the family. It was those cookies, and they really enjoyed those. So just super simple, basic Christmas cookies. Alright, now let's make some super simple deviled eggs. Basically just 14 eggs, halved. I put all the yolks in a bowl, mashed them. Mustard and mayonnaise, and put paprika on top. That's literally what it was. Oh, and salt and pepper. That literally is all it is. And those were a pretty big hit too. So those were awesome. So, finally finished the baking and cooking and all that. So now I'm going to go ahead and make up stockpile baskets. I got my uncle, my cousin, and then my cousin's husband, and then my cousin's wife, my aunt, and my other cousin. So 6 stockpile baskets total. I'm going to go ahead and put together right now. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. So I got my Christmas presents. I got more than I anticipated, honestly. They did a really good job. I did pick out some of the clothes and a couple things, but they did a really great job. So these are, okay, so this is from my aunt and uncle, Monopoly for Millennials. I've heard this. I'm a Monopoly person, so I feel like every year I get Monopoly from somebody, some Monopoly for millennials. Then my cousin got me this Monopoly Socialism, which, no, we're not socialists, but we just saw this game and thought it'd be really cool, so we got that. And then they got me some socks, which I told my cousin I needed black socks. Well, I didn't clarify I needed black dress socks. So anyways, she asked my mom about these, and my mom was like, he doesn't, because I guess she already bought them. And anyways, long story short, she found out that I meant dress socks, but she says these are really good socks, so I can always take some new socks in my life. Now I got cash from my grandma and grandpa, and then I got some from my parents too, so I'll go buy myself some dress socks now with that money. Okay, some of this is stocking stuffers. The Junior Mints were in there. I got an Adidas hoodie. These were Black Friday. The Under Armour hoodies too. And Elliot. Hi, Ellie. Elliot wanted in. Then I got 3 Under Armour hoodies. I got some joggers from American Eagle. Oh, okay. They got me this bullet journal case, which my bullet journal is too big to fit in here. But I don't care. I love this case so much because it allows me to have these 2 books bound in it, which is awesome, and my bullet journal. So I love that so much. Love that gift. I just got 2 cheaper joggers at Kohl's on Black Friday. Elliot, you're gonna have to move. Okay, and then I'm always losing nail clippers. Okay, these are magnetic nail clippers, which is amazing. So I absolutely love those magnetic nail clippers, anti-nail clippers, and all that. That's awesome. That's one of my favorite gifts. They did give me another bullet journal, which you can never have too many bullet journals. I love this one actually a lot because you can write in. It has a place for your bullet journal code and all that, and then it has numbered pages. The index is a little weird, but what I'll probably do is just take the dogger pages and make an additional index. So besides that, I love it. In the back, it has pin tests, which I love that. Love that so much. So I'm excited to work through my bullet journals for the year. I'm all stocked up because I got one from another gift as well. All right, Ellie, you're going to have to move. They got me this big jumbo pack of friction pens, which I love those. They got me the Bullet Journal Method book, which I love this. I'm excited to read this book. The author is the one who came up with this, and I just love, I'm excited to read his story, his thoughts. I'm trying to get into reading more as a New Year's resolution, and bullet journaling. It's kind of turned into my passion, so I'm really, really pumped. Oh, I love how the table of contents is like a bullet journal. It's so awesome. So I'm excited to read that. And then, come on, Allie. You can go in any other outfit you want. There you go. He just wants to be in the center of attention. We saw this at Kroger, and I told my mom I'd really like this. It's 100 days of devotional journal. Honestly, I sometimes struggle to find the ways to read, to make good Bible study and everything. And I didn't think this was girly. We read through it, and it's not really girly. So it's like you read the devotional and the scripture, and then you journal about it, which I think is an awesome thought. I've tried doing it, but I struggle because I get overwhelmed by everything. Making it too complicated, like doing a whole chapter at a time. So that's just like, I think it's going to help. My mom saw these. I told her I needed tabs for my coupon binder. So she totally hooked me up with these flags. And I love this. The little ones and the big ones is great gifts. And then, I don't know where she got these, but these, I've seen these before and they're really cool. They're divider tab notes. So like, I might use these in my bullet journal. Really, really love that. Great gifts. So they did way too much for Christmas, but I'm super, super, super pumped with it all. So, Elliot, you gonna say goodbye to them? Huh? Now, I'm going to let you see the slideshow of what I got my family for Christmas. Keep in mind, I know Christmas is not all about the gifts and all that stuff. It's definitely not the meaning of it and anything. But, you know, it definitely makes it more fun and just shows that you care about people. So now I'm going to let it play through the gifts I got for people for Christmas.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued